Why do I always get angry? I yell at David. I yell at Sophie. I hate myself for this. Sophie, be careful. David! Can you help me for once?
Sorry, Ilaria, were they with you?
Can't you see I'm busy? My family is afraid of me. I love my family, but my anger hurts them. I need to change.
My daughter, anger is normal, but you can control it. Take deep breaths, count to 10,
and speak softly. When I feel angry, I will breathe slowly and say calm words.
Yes, that's good. You can do this, Ilaria.
David, Sophie, I'm sorry I yelled so much. From today, I will try to stay calm. Will you help me?
Yes, Ilaria. We love you.
I will help you too, Mommy.
It's okay, Sophie. Let's clean together.
I'm proud you are the best, Mommy.
Anger is normal, but we can control it with love and patience. Take deep breaths and speak kindly. Your family will be happier.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.